the other really big piece is competition. The aftermarket is always competing with OE dealerships. They want to keep customers longer. They have service plans. There's a huge amount of really big effort that they put to show that genuine care to customer, and we need to make sure that we do the same. And we can't let them sit back and not have that opportunity.
Yeah. So what are some of the best tips you can share with our viewers about servicing and sales?
So there's a couple. Understanding your market. Look at what the OEs are doing. They're by default the benchmark that a customer is going to compare you against.